Itimo ang'o?
Atedo.
Itimo ang'o?
Atedo. Now, when you're cooking, someone would ask, itimo ang'o, to mean, what are you doing? And my answer would be, atedo. Atedo. Tedo is the act of cooking. Atedo. Now, atedo means I'm cooking. Now, if there's anything specific that I'm cooking, then I would say that specific thing. For example, this is beans. I'm cooking beans, so I would say atedo oganda. Atedo oganda. That means I'm cooking beans. Atedo oganda. Let's say it together. Atedo oganda. I am cooking beans. Now, if on the other side you're cooking rice, let me just change my rice. So if you're cooking rice, then you'd say atedo michele. Atedo michele. Atedo michele. So you can answer the question generally by saying atedo to mean you're cooking, but you can answer specifically to say atedo michele, atedo oganda, atedo ringo, or whatever else you're cooking. So you can comment on this video to ask us what specific thing you're cooking, and then we'll respond by giving you what you're cooking. All right? Thank you.